In order to grow thick, beautiful hair and also to retain some length, you will need to prevent your hair from breaking. And to prevent your hair from breaking, you need some good hair treatment like today's recipe. In today's recipe, I'm going to show you an amazing hair growth treatment that will help you boost your hair growth. When chemicals damaged my hair and I had to do the big chop, I was struggling to grow my hair. But after discovering natural ingredients and using it for hair growth treatment like today's recipe, my hair has been flourishing. If you really want to know how I do this, make sure you're watching this video to the end. Let's do this. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel, and to all my returning subscribers, I do appreciate the love and support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs up and even sharing them. But if you're stopping by for the first time, I do appreciate you clicking on this video. In today's video, one of my natural ingredients is the fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds have amazing benefits when it comes to hair growth. It contains iron and protein that is really needed when it comes to healthy hair growth. So I measured some fenugreek seed and put it in a mason jar, and I just top it with water. And here you are, you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. So I'm going to leave my fenugreek seeds in the water overnight. And this is the next morning, and I'm going to start with my hair mask recipe. And I need some avocados. Avocados are really great when it comes to hair growth. It can unclog the hair follicles and give way to new healthy hair growth. It can also reduce hair shedding, hair fall, or any hair breakages that you might be having. Avocados also contain biotin, which is also needed when it comes to hair growth. Adding avocados into your hair mask will help your hair to be really shining, smooth, and easy to manage. So if you're someone suffering from, hair breakages, hair fall, or your hair tangles a lot, you should be adding avocados to your hair care regimen. Alright, so let's go ahead and strain our fenugreek seeds. So fenugreek seeds, when added to your DIY hair growth mask, will help make detangling your hair so much easier. It is also going to prevent hair breakages, hair fall, split ends, or any hair issues that you might be having. Fenugreek seeds can also treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues that you might be facing. So at this point, I'm just going to add my fenugreek seeds, the overnight fenugreek seeds, into my blender. I just rinse the jar with the same water that I strained out. Then after, I'm going to add some water to the fenugreek seed. And remember, you are using the same water from the fenugreek seed. I'm going to put it on the blender and allow it to blend to a smooth paste. Alright, so listen to this part. I just didn't want this paste to be runny, so I added the water in bits, little by little. Then I realized I needed all the water because it wasn't even blending. So at this point, I transferred the remaining of the water to the fenugreek seeds. Then I was able to blend it smoothly. And guess what? This recipe is really powerful, especially when it comes to hair growth. So make sure you're watching this video to the end and you're not skipping any part of it. Because if you do not know the right way to use it, you're not going to get all the benefits out of it. And since I'm spilling all the tea to the tea, I'm going to show you the best way to use this hair mask. So make sure you're watching to the end. So at this point, my fenugreek seeds has been blended into a very smooth paste. It is time to add avocados to it. And here you are. If you're still watching this video to this point, it means you're really enjoying it, because I really enjoyed filming this video. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. On this channel, I do a lot of DIYs using natural ingredients. Ingredients you can even find in your own kitchen. So make sure you join us because I show you how to grow your hair as well as how to care for your hair. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So make sure to leave me a comment in the section below. And do not forget to share this video with your loved ones and also on your social media platforms so other people can also learn how to grow their hair. So guys, this part is very, very important. Regardless of how smoothly this paste comes out from the blender, you still need to strain it out. Otherwise, you're going to have some leftover pops in your hair and it's going to take you the rest of the year to get them out. And I do not want that for you. So make sure you're straining it. So this is what I'm having, okay? You can blend this again with a little water and do a second strain, but this was just enough for me. I just didn't need any more of these. So at this point, I'm going to add some honey to this recipe. Honey is very, very great when it comes to hair growth, especially if you're someone with low porosity hair. It is easily absorbed into the hair to condition your hair, make your hair so much easier to detangle. It is also going to leave your hair soft and shiny. I'm also going to add some oil to it, and today I'm going to use some pure grapeseed oil. Just reading on the bottle, you can see that grapeseed oil contains omega-3 and 6 as well as vitamin E oil. And all these together is really beneficial when it comes to hair growth. But feel free to use any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, any oil that works best for your hair. Just make sure you are adding some oil to this hair mask. After adding everything, just stir everything together and just look at how smooth this comes out. I just love this hair mask. When you use it on your hair, it feels like you're using some store-bought high-end quality conditioner on your hair. But this is all homemade and this is all natural ingredients, no chemicals, so it is really safe for the hair. So as I said, it's one thing knowing how to prepare this hair mask and it's another knowing how to use it the right way. So let me show you the right way to use this. Before using this hair mask, make sure you shampoo wash your hair. So you want to start with a clean hair. Then after that, you will have to work in sections. Working in sections will help every part of your hair to receive this hair mask. It is also going to reduce hair breakages and also help make detangling your hair so much easier. Whenever you are using hair masks like these, make sure you're using your hands very, very much than the comb. You have to use your hand to detangle before going in with the wide tooth comb. So as you see me do, I'm using my fingers to separate the hair. This applies smoothly onto the hair with no stress, so it will make detangling your hair so much easier. Adding this hair mask to your hair care regimen is going to leave your hair really soft, easy to manage, and after rinsing it out, you're going to feel a whole lot of difference in your hair. But the trick is you just have to be consistent with it. Consistency is always key. So make sure you are doing this at least twice a month to achieve a better result. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I know you have already given this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I know you have already subscribed. But before leaving, click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways that you can grow your hair much faster using natural ingredients. Bye.